Did you know you can make $900 in 3 hours in a stupid easy way, all from your computer? Well, let me show you.
Save this video for later so that you can share this video with someone you care about.
First, go to textbroker.com. Textbroker wants to pay you for every word you type. Go right here to the top where it says I write content and then go to payment. As you see, Textbroker wants to pay you $489 for typing 8,900 words. As you see right here, the average speaker in the US can speak about 150 words per minute, which means it should only take you an hour for about 9,000 words. Now here's what makes it super easy. You don't even have to type the word yourself. Go to Google Docs and then go to Tools, and then you want to select Voice Typing. As you can see, it's typing out exactly what I'm saying right on the screen. So for a couple hours of work, you have over $900, nearly $1,000 even. So for that last hour, you're going to head to Grammarly.com and you're going to check all your work.
If you want to know how my partner and I make 5 figures passively every week, make a comment below, click on my link above, and we'll talk with you.